Hello everyone, my name is Vishal Bajpayee and I am back with another interview experience. This time we are going to share a Wipro interview experience, and the candidate who is going to share her interview experience, her name is Khushi and she is 2022 batch pass out and her branch is computer science and engineering. Okay, so if you like the video, if you think it was somewhat helpful to you, please give it a like, share it with your friends, okay, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. So let us start the video. Hello, Khushi.
Hello, Vishal.
So, Khushi, would you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Khushi Sao, and currently I am pursuing BTech in the field of computer science and engineering, and I am from 2022 batch.
Okay, so Khushi, when was your Wipro interview scheduled?
It was scheduled on 7th of November.
Okay, 7th of November. And okay, so will you please tell us something about your interview experience?
Yeah, sure. When I started the interview, they asked me first, tell me about yourself, where I introduced all about myself, that my name is Khushi Sao and I belong from Lucknow. And then I started talking about my projects. So he took that and he started asking question about my projects, that how will you develop it, what are the technologies you have used it, what are the features in it, like that.
Okay, so would you please tell us what was the time slot of your interview?
It was from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., but he was 1 hour late, so it was started at 10 a.m.
Okay, so and what was the total duration of your interview?
20 to 25 minutes.
20-25 minutes. Okay, so can you tell us some okay, when you first joined the interview, he first asked to introduce yourself and then he asked about the projects. Now, can you please tell what were the other technical questions other than project that he has asked to you?
He didn't ask me any technical question, only he cross-questioned my answers about my projects. And he said that you are interested in front end, so you know React.js or AngularJS. So I said yes. So he asked me the question, what is the difference between this?
What was the difference between React.js and AngularJS?
Yes.
Okay, so apart from these, there were no any technical questions.
No.
And HR questions?
HR questions, like he asked me what are my strength and weakness and how will you overcome your weakness. And then he asked me, are you aware of WANT? And he asked me, what is your preferred location of interest?
So in the interview panel, there were how many interviewer were there in that panel?
Only one. Only one.
Okay, only one. Okay, so this was all about your interview. There was nothing much except these things.
Yeah. He just asked me about my projects and all. He just put
Okay,
that
so
topic. Yeah.
and he was just digging down into your project only.
Yeah.
So you have also received your LOI on 11th of November.
On 12th of November.
On
After
12th of
5 days.
November. So basically you got your LOI in 5 days.
Yeah.
Okay, so would you please tell us that what were the references from where you have prepared for this interview, or what were the some places from where you have prepared for written exam as well as for interview exam?
I have prepared myself from Greeks of Weeks and from FacePrep website. And I say that FacePrep is a very good website to learn about this, because there are some interview questions are also given. Just go through it, you will tap for sure.
Okay, so Khushi, what would you advise us before giving any interview? What are the things or what are the some field that we should take care of, or we should just revise them?
Yeah,
What are the topics?
if you go through my interview, he only asked me about the project. So I will advise you to make your project by your own, because most of the interviewer ask from your projects only. And do not fake your resume, because they let ask from your resume too. And prepare some topics like what is DBMS, what are the concepts of OOPS, because these are some basic questions the interviewer asks. So just go through it.
Okay, so that was all about the interview. So thank you, Khushi, for sharing your interview experience with us.
Thank you so much. And all the very best, those who are coming for the interview.